I love watching people at these events. Earlier, I saw two survivors who hadn't known each other before this. They were talking about their story, sharing a hug, and really that's what this is all about, is feeling support, feeling cared for.
It's a lot of camaraderie. If you've been inside, they're like having a great time, they're dancing, and it was fun. I saw a lot of people that I haven't seen in a long time. Some from like high school.
Yeah, my name is Whitney Minnick, and I'm a Senior Development Manager for the American Cancer Society, which basically means I help volunteers put on these fantastic Relay for Life events. Relay for Life is a fundraiser for the American Cancer Society. It's also an opportunity for survivors to be celebrated, to make connections with other people in the community that have been impacted, and really just a great community of support.
I'm Chrissy Brooks. Well, I got an email from Dee Dee explaining what they were doing and asked if I'd be interested in speaking. She had heard about my story. I was a little nervous about what I was getting myself into. And my husband said, you need to tell your story. If it helps just one person, it was worth it.
I actually met Dee Dee. I had seen an article in the newspaper about her cancer journey story and reached out, and she actually spoke at our event a few years ago. She shared that she actually called the American Cancer Society for help during her cancer journey. I was so impacted by hearing that because I know that we're there to help people, but you don't always get to hear those great stories where it happens. Relay started as a walk 40 years ago. One guy walked and ran for 24 hours. That has now evolved into this event. You can walk as little or as much as you want, but there's a lot of other stuff to do while you're here, food to eat. We have a live auction, lots of different things, including our remembrance ceremony, where we light the candles in memory and honor. So it's fun, but it's really meaningful.
I was diagnosed in October of 2023. I think I'm still kind of going through did I just really go through that? But it's getting better as I start feeling more like myself. It really threw me for a loop.
There's so many ways that the community can get involved with Relay for Life, whether that's making a donation, large or small, every dollar counts. Just attending the event and showing support. You can create a team and do a fundraiser. So many different ways to get involved, whether you have 30 minutes or hours. It's so important to get involved with events like Relay for Life and supporting the American Cancer Society now more than ever. The American Cancer Society is the largest nonprofit funder of cancer research. Every dollar donated, every person that you tell about the American Cancer Society being here to help people truly does make a difference.